Howdy! We've decided to put up for sale a 1978 Ford F250, and we got a little bit of snow last night, so she's completely cold. I just washed a little bit of the snow off, but I'll give you a little tour of what all's been done. So she is completely, totally cold. You can see I could put my hands on the manifold. Just completely cold. So this engine is the engine that came originally from the truck. Was the original engine. It was a 400, part of the M series or the 385 series, and the engine that's currently in it now, the engine that came with it was bad. It failed on us. So we had acquired a 1979 351M. There was a used engine. That engine I sent to the machine shop, had it completely gone through Magnaflux, checked out. They honed and bored the cylinders 30 over, brand new pistons, the whole nine. So we've got a Weiand aluminum intake. We've got all new internals. The camshaft is a mild cam. It's a 256 XE comp cam, so it's good for towing, mid-range power, similar to an RV cam, pretty much an RV cam. Brand new AVS2 annular booster Edelbrock carburetor. I've got a brand new Tough Stuff 100 amp alternator. It's right here. We've got brand new MSD coil and distributor, which I've timed perfectly. We've got a brand new Champion 3-core aluminum radiator. I've got a performance fan on there. It stays completely cool, 190 even on the hottest days. So yeah, power steering, power brakes. The master cylinder and the power booster are brand new. There is an ever so slight leak, just very slight leak at the power steering pump. I'm actually thinking it just needs a little bit of Teflon tape on the fitting, so I'll fix that up. What else? So moving to the inside, I have to get my key real quick. Here, I'll give you this. Well, I guess we can do the outside real quick. So we have brand new wheels and tires. We have brand new brake pads on the front, brand new wheels and tires all the way around. Yep. This is true dual exhaust all the way back. You'll be able to hear it in a minute on the cold start. It has 28-inch long glass packs, so it sounds really good when you're getting on it, but no bad drone on the highway or anything like that. Just sounds really, really good. Chrome tips on the back. So, yeah, all the lights work perfectly. All the glass is good. There's one ding, small ding on the windshield, which you can show them, but it's not bad. So the seat is original. We just have it's got some tears on the driver's side. It's not too bad if you wanted to redo it. We just have a standard saddle blanket in here. Looks good, matches everything. Original vinyl on the floors. There's the tiniest bit of rust on the floor on the driver's side. I can show you where your heel meets the floor, but it's really not bad. All the door seals are in really good condition, no rust. The original rubber seals are in the truck, but they seem to be fine. They're not cracking or breaking. They're still rubberized, so I don't necessarily think there's any need to change them just yet. I did put a brand new heater core in and a brand new glove box liner as I tore the original one up, trying to get it out, heater core out. The radio does not work. I don't think it's hooked up. I have not tried since we've had the truck. But the heat works fine. There's no air conditioning in this truck, but there's vents on both sides that work fine. And all of the gauges work. Gas gauge, speedometer. I've got extra gauges for the temp, just in case. Both temp gauges work. So we'll go around and do a cold start. So truck is completely cold. It was below freezing last night and we got several inches of snow. And really we should only need, I've set the carburetor up perfectly, so I do 2 or 3 pumps, easy pumps all the way to the floor. See what happens. There it is. We got an aftermarket SunPro tack. You can watch your tachometer. All the lights work, blinkers work, all the windows work. A little bit of cracking in places on the door handle. See that? You can already hear the idle coming up. So I usually I'll let it sit for 2-3 minutes, tap the gas, and that'll bring it off of the automatic choke. Let it warm up another couple minutes if you want. It's what I do, and then you're good to go. I'll let it warm up a minute or two and then take a couple passes down the block.